Hello YouTube, my name is Roger and this is Jolly Roger Craftworks. So far it's not much, but it's in progress. I'm working on getting this old two-car garage cleaned out and turned into a workshop where I can build, tinker, play. You know, I've had an interest in building stuff and making stuff for a long time, and decided that I needed a dedicated space to do that. Just finished building this work table recently and got a place for my table saw. Along this back wall over here behind me is going to be a nice work bench with a miter saw station and a drill press and probably some shelves underneath to store some of this other stuff. And then hopefully on this back wall also have some cabinets up top and a nice cleat wall to hang some tools. But like I said, it's a work in progress, so if you like that kind of stuff and you want to see me turn this into a shop and see me learn and build and make stuff, go ahead and hit subscribe and hit that notification bell, and we'll see you soon.